Hey there, what is the best method to use when scoping your next project and creating a roadmap? Is it Agile or Waterfall? My name is Josh Vector. I'm one of the founders of Product Maker HQ, and in this video, I'm going to compare and contrast the two main frameworks that any project management team and product management team can use. But before we dive in, be sure to hit that subscribe button to get direct notifications whenever we post new product management videos. Now, let's go ahead and get started. In software development, there are two well-known methods for approaching project and product management: the waterfall model and agile methodology. The main difference between these two styles is that waterfall is linear while agile is adaptable. Software development projects can take years to reach completion, and it's possible that technology can shift and grow during that time. And depending on the project at hand, it may be very important to incorporate these changes into your product's development. In other instances, it may be advantageous to adhere to a rigid project plan. Now let's talk about the four main differences between Agile and Waterfall. So the difference number one is the timeline. The Waterfall model employs a fixed timeline from the start of the project. It clearly defines the scope of work, and all project requirements are stated from the beginning to map out a comprehensive plan. The product is delivered with finality at the end of the process. In contrast here, Agile prioritizes incremental adaptation, and the timeline depends on consistent progression. Rather than delivering the product at the very end, Agile makes use of frequent deliverables on a weekly or monthly basis. And difference number two is flexibility. Because waterfall project management plans everything out ahead of time, flexibility is not a cornerstone of the model. And this works well when there's a clear vision for the product or if rules and regulations are too stringent to stray from. Agile, on the other hand, relies on flexibility as a foundation for executing the project. And this works especially well with short bursts of work that allow new information to emerge throughout the process. And difference number three is client interaction. After defining the project outcome, Waterfall does not include the client in the development process other than when presenting deliverables. With a strong initial outline, the client can be completely hands-off as the team sets to work. And Agile differs from this by prioritizing customer satisfaction through every step of development. And product owners are expected to be involved to provide ongoing feedback, ensuring the project meets the main requirements and also covers all the finer details. And difference number four is the budget. Waterfall management sets a fixed budget after the project has been scoped and outlined. There's less room for change throughout the project, and therefore the cost does not shift once development begins. Agile, however, is open to adaptation, as we mentioned earlier, and this means that any change of direction can affect the total cost of the project. And there are advantages to each of these frameworks, and deciding which will work best for you depends on the type of project you're looking to build. Waterfall is a linear system that requires each phase of the project to be complete before moving on to the next, and it works best for projects with specific end goals. Agile allows for work to be done on different sections of the project continuously and takes client feedback into account to inform ongoing shifts in direction. And benefits of Waterfall include using straightforward planning to reach the end goal, designing a whole system approach, and clearly defining measurements of progress. And it also has a fixed cost throughout the project. Waterfall is a great approach to use when following strict rules and regulations, and also where the roadmap is well scoped out. The benefit to Agile is faster software development lifecycle, predictable scheduling done in sprints. It promotes efficient communication, empowers teams to manage projects, and increases customer satisfaction, which is a big one. Agile is perfect for teams that want to move fast and experiment with direction to drive innovation. And there you have it. Those are the main differences between Agile methodology and a waterfall model. And thank you for watching this video and sticking with us to the end. If you feel like you have a better understanding of these two concepts, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll go ahead and see you on some of our other product management videos. Cheers.